Here's how to choose a default SIM card for calls and messages on Samsung dual SIM phones, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a tip which may be useful during your trips. So first of all, make sure that you have both of the SIM cards inside and they are active. Now let's open up our settings. Now tap on our Connections tab and press on your SIM Manager. So here you'll see your SIM cards. So you can turn off each of the SIM cards and add up your eSIM if you need to. Now scroll down to your preferred SIMs, and here you see three options. Calls, tap here, and now you may choose which one you want to use, or you can set up on always ask, and every time you're dialing someone, you'll have to make a choice. For example, let's leave it our calls on SIM 1. Same with messages. Let's give them on SIM 2, and mobile data off completely, SIM 1 or SIM 2. And basically that's it. Now you can use your SIM cards and choose which SIM card you want to use. And here's a little tip. During your trips, do not forget to check your connection. So if you're seeing that one of the SIM card lacks some connection points, simply switch to another one because now you know how, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video.